yellow corn cereal.
This?
No, that's not crunchy.
Look, this is called Crunch. See this? Crunch. Brown sugar. Crunch.
It's not brown sugar.
This is nice. This is what you catch insects with, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, maybe we should put this somewhere else besides the table that we eat at. And this. Great job last night. You got a ribbon. Are you proud?
Yeah. Today's Friday, though.
Yep. Miles, aren't you proud of yourself that you got a blue ribbon?
Mm-hmm.
You went to the next level? Yeah.
I'm looking for red.
Red now.
It's hard.
It's going to be tougher.
It's gonna be tougher, though.
But you can do it. Just like you got the blue. When you work hard for things, you get rewarded. And you get better. Makes you feel good. Do you know how to burp?
Mm-hmm.
Like when you drink this, it's got carbonation in it. See the bubbles? That's called carbonation. Can you say carbonation?
Carbonation.
When you drink that, the bubbles go into your belly. Sometimes you have to burp them up. Do you know how to burp?
Uh-huh. Are you gonna burp?
Do you want me to burp?
Uh-huh.
When you ask me to, I can't. Didn't sound like a burp. Sounded like a fake burp.
Get a book, Daddy. Get a book. Get a book, Daddy. Get a book. Mmm. I like those astronaut things.
Miles, I need you to speak a little clearer.
Daddy.
Yes?
I want those astronaut things.
Astronaut things? You want those astronaut things?
Things.
Astronaut things.
I want some astronaut things.
What are you talking about?
The
Now that I know what you're
things
talking
in the
about.
garage.
Oh, the rocket?
Huh? I'm an astronaut. I can do it. Thank you, Daddy. He's doing tap there. Tap, 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 tap. Look at the funny poop. Made us so bad.